Welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. I took a week and a half off to spend time with my family. Happy New Year's! So today we're making one pan pasta and seasoned chicken in the air fryer. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. First, we're going to start off with our chicken. I like doing chicken tenders, but if you use chicken breast, make sure that it is pounded so it's all one size. To our chicken breast, you're going to want to make sure they're completely dry. We're going to poke it with just a toothpick. Just little random pokes. We're going to put this aside. To a bowl, we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil. I use olive oil. But because we're doing kind of like an Italian pasta, I'm going to use the Sicilian blend. I really like this dipping seasoning. It's got great blends to it. I use it a lot. Now 1 teaspoon. Oh, a little over. That's fine. If your seasoning is really salty, you want to go less seasoning. If it's not so salty, you can add a little more. This is not that salty, so I know it's going to be fine. We're going to stir it up really well. Then we're just going to paintbrush this on our chicken. Flip it and paintbrush the other side, and we'll put this to the side till we're ready to cook. It really is this easy. These are great for tacos, chicken salad. I use this a lot. It's one of my go-to fast recipes for a busy work day. Going to put this to the side and get started on our one pan pasta. I found this recipe for one pan spaghetti from Raza Malaysia. I'm hoping I'm saying it right. The link will be down below where you can find this great recipe. I did make changes, so just watch the videos for the changes I have made. To our pan, we're going to want a big pan because we're going to want to put our spaghetti in this. So to our pan, I got a good size one. We're going to add olive oil. Just very little, about a tablespoon or two. We're going to add onions. It's about a cup. I am doubling my recipe. This is 12 garlics because, like I said, I double it. It's usually 6. You're going to want to cook these too. The onion is a little bit translucent. We like spice for our spaghetti, so I'm putting a pinch, a good sized pinch, of red pepper flakes, just one good sized pinch. Didn't look like it, but I added a little extra because it was not enough. I wanted a bigger pinch than that. And I'm going to toast it along with it. Okay, I'm going to add tomatoes. It calls for 14 ounces, so this is, you can use canned tomatoes, but fresh tomatoes, if you got it, better. You can use any kind of tomatoes, but if they're kind of getting on an older side and where they're really juicy, like these are. These are Caparello tomatoes. I'm hoping I'm saying it right. So pizza out of this, so it's great pizza. I always have these on hand. I'm going to mix this in. We also like sun-dried tomatoes in ours. So I have herb sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put this to the side just a little bit. Also, I'm going to slice some. Let's get a bunch out. Put a little bit of the sauce in. The oil is really good for these. So I'm going to sit there and slice these up. And my table's bouncing, sorry. Part of being an RV. This is one of the reasons I don't show you guys how I cut. I do it all in advance because everything is tiny in here and it bounces with my camera. It's on a tripod. Put those in. Okay, put this back over. I'm going to press start. Start. Just mix this up a little. We're going to add fresh basil. We'll use this for later. Just want to chop it up. About 2 tablespoons. We're going to add pasta. I'm going to put the pasta down first. You're going to want to fan this out as much as you can. If your pan is not big enough, just break it in half. Mine will be in a moment. So I'm just going to let it set up. Most of it's laying down. Probably I'll move it pretty soon. And I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. Put a lid on this and let it cook for 10 minutes. To our pasta, it's almost done. We are going to add some seasoning, pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. Let that cook for a little bit and see what it tastes like. First, we're going to mix it in. Oops. Give it a little taste. See if our seasoning is just right. A little more pepper, a little more salt. And I'm going to add a little bit more, very little bit, of my pepper flakes. Give it another mix. Okay, I'm going to turn this off until our chicken is almost done. we're going to give this a little stir. Put it aside. To our air fry pan, I spray my air fry pan so it doesn't stick. I have my dripping pan underneath. Give it good lubrication, and we're going to add our chicken to this. My air fryer is set at 350. I'm just going to brush on what came off just to give a little extra. I'm going to flip and do the other side. Just take it all right off with this. If you can't want to, you can always make a little extra to put on at the end. When our air fryer is done heating up, we're going to put it in the air fryer. My air fryer is ready. That's at 350. So I'm going to put my drip pan on the bottom. And we're going to put our chicken right here on top. And we're going to cook this to our internal temperature is 165. We're at a halfway mark, so I am turning my chicken. And we're going to put it in for a little longer. First, I'm going to see what my temperature is. I have this great thermometer I use a lot. All I do is got to set by the meat and my taste. So we're going to pork, turkey, chicken. We're going to go to the biggest one. I don't know if you can see this. We're at 163, so it actually is done. 168 is what we need. So we're just going to let this set. It's fine we did not turn it. While our chicken is resting, we're going to add cheese to our pasta and mix that in. You're going to want a fourth a cup of cheese. For me, I need a half. And I make a lot of cheese up at a time. So this is nice. This right here is a half. We're going to want to throw a little bit of parsley in too, chopped. There. Okay, mix this in well. Smells so good. Okay. And now for the best part, we're going to plate up. First, we're going to put some beautiful pasta in our bowl. Get some of the tomatoes with our pasta. Beautiful. Add a little bit more cheese on top. Chicken breast. I'm only going to eat one, and I'm going to slice it. We're just going to put this right on top. It's kind of broken up as I slice, but it'll work. just going to lay it on top. A little bit of parsley and a little bit of basil ripped up. Basil is going to add some wonderful flavor. Just one leaf. There. And now for the best part. It is time to eat. And now for the best part. We get to try our one-pan pasta with seasoned air-fried chicken. It really does look good and it smells wonderful in my camper. A little bit of pasta. Let me get some chicken with it. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Chicken is made perfectly seasoned. It is so good. It is really easy to make. Did not take long to make this at all. You can actually prep a lot of this stuff a day in advance and throw it together for the next day's dinner. One more bite. I'm just going to have the pasta this time. It really is good. Mmm. 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 Really, really good. Not too spicy, just perfect. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I put out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see making my tiny RV. Leave a comment down below if you made any of these great recipes. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye!